Imagine going into surgery to have a procedure, and you discovered later that your doctor was insulting you during the surgery.
What?
This is what happened to one lady who was smart enough to record it. Hello, everyone. Do I have a different type of video for you today? How many of you guys have had surgery? You laying there on that table butt naked. Well, you got a gown on. But they still can see you sometimes, Because, some surgeries, you got to be butt naked. If your body ain't perfect, really and truly nobody has a perfect body. But if your body isn't up to par, let's say you overweight, you got wrinkles and dimples and belly hanging jelly. Let's say you got all that. And you just overweight, you just don't look that good, you don't want to undress because you don't love your body, especially when you get older. And you know that you have got to have surgery. And there's nothing you can do about it. Because they're going to see your body, okay, whether you like it or not. And then you discover that after your surgery, the whole team in the operating room was teasing you and talking about your body. Sandfay girl, how? How and why and how did she know? Did the anesthesia not work? Did it not? No, that wasn't it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all, but I don't really understand it myself. I really don't. Let me pull it up. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, you new people, okay? Thank you for coming over here. I love y'all. I'm over 30,000. I appreciate that. I really do. All right, let me pull up this video. Go over there and look at my soap and buy some soap so you can be squeaky clean, honey child. Squeaky clean. All right, here we go. Oh, Lord.
Those stunning comments caught on tape by a Houston woman who says she secretly recorded a doctor and staff during her surgery. Now, in these recordings, you hear remarks about her looks and her personality.
Listen carefully because few ever hear this.
She's a handful.
Secret recordings a patient says she made from the operating room. Ethel Easter says she hid a recorder in her hair extensions before going under the knife for a hernia operation. Easter says the hospital workers made disparaging comments about her body.
I was appalled, I was distraught, I was violated, thinking that I'm lying there naked after the surgery, and they have me still uncovered talking over my body like this.
And listen to this.
Precious, yes. This is Precious over here, saying hi to Precious over there.
It was racially profiling me, yes, I was offended by it.
Easter says she decided to secretly record her surgery after a tense meeting with the doctor. In a letter to Easter, the hospital, Harris Healthcare, says it has alerted staff to be mindful of comments at all times, but they say no further action is being taken.
Y'all, they was talking about her body. Nobody's body is perfect. Nobody. If you think it is, you must be Jesus then. Okay? You must be that man that walked on water. My thing is, though, why did she decide to record? Why? Did something happen before the surgery to make her think, I need to record this? She put a small camera in her hair. I thought they supposed to check your hair and everything, your whole entire body, before they do surgery. but they didn't. But why did she think she need to do that? It had to be a reason. Maybe she heard rumors. That's what it's got to be. Rumors of some type. If that's the case, if you heard rumors, why would you go to such a hospital or choose such a doctor if you heard rumors about them? Why would you do that? Sorry, y'all. Got a little phlegm in my throat. Now, the doctors, what he did is not ethical. It's not at all. You know, your doctor's supposed to support you. He's supposed to guide you and help you and be nice to you and sweet and try to, make sure you're not afraid to have the surgery. Supposed to be kind and nice. I know it's hard sometimes because we got rough patients who are horrible and very disrespectful. I know this. But there's an ethics for that, okay? But evidently, this operating room, these nurses and doctors and whoever else was in there, technicians handing the tools to the doctors, whatever you call them, they were not professional. Now, it was a black woman. Now, y'all saw in the video that it was like white people, black, but it's really the black. They just threw in some extra videos. Was it racism, though? Was it? Could it have been? Do they do all people like that? Well, we don't know if it's racism or not because we don't know if they do every patient like that. We have no idea. But it could have been. It could have. I don't know now. I'm not saying it is. I don't know. All right? My thing is, though, can she sue them? Can she get money from them? Can she? That wasn't right, y'all. That wasn't right. I just don't care what nobody said. They got to be held accountable for this. And I don't think the hospital did nothing. According to this video at the end, I don't think nothing happened to the people, okay? Can she sue them? I don't know because she recorded inside of a hospital surgery room, operating room. And they didn't know that they were being recorded. So that video probably cannot be used for evidence because they didn't know. Because they throw stuff out like that in some states. I don't know if they do it in all states. I have no idea. But like I said, I don't know if they can be charged. But I do feel they should be fired. Every last one of them in that operating room should be fired. Okay. They probably won't let her back in the hospital anymore. I'm pretty sure she won't go back to that same doctor unless she's stupid, But something needs to be done. I don't understand. Did this happen in the past? You know what? Now she's going to be afraid. She's going to be scarred for life because of what happened. I would be scarred for life too. I would be, especially going to a doctor. I'm pretty sure it happened to some of y'all. Y'all just don't know it because, you don't record it. You have no idea, what they talking about. Look at those big ass thighs. Look at those stretch marks. Look at those buck teeth. Look at those pop eyes. Look at that nappy ass hair. I'm pretty sure they done talked about it to many people. Pretty sure. Y'all go down there in the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you think this happened to you? You got some people be on anesthesia and they don't be under all the way and they hear almost everything. Everything. There's a movie I saw called Awake. Man, that man was in surgery, heard everything they were saying. Everything. Going through the pain and everything because they didn't know he wasn't under all the way. I don't know if that happened for real in real life. But go down there and tell me, has this ever happened to you? Maybe you heard it outside in the hall because the nurses gather outside in the hall. They think you sleeping or they come in your room. They think you sleeping. They think you knocked out, but you hear every damn thing they saying. Has that ever happened to you? Has it ever? Put it on down there. I want to know. Was this lady right by recording? I guess she was. Was she wrong by recording? Maybe she was by the hospital's view. But me, I'm going to say no. Because, hell, I would like to know what people saying about me. I would like to know. With all that being said, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And watch the next video coming up. Thank you.
Yeah.